So good afternoon, Harsha, and we'll start the first day of the workshop, The Magic of Vedic Mathematics. Now, why do we call it as magic? I'll give you a very brief answer to this. Vedic maths makes the mathematics simple, easy, and faster. So that is the reason, if we have to define in one word, we call it as a magic. So that magic we are going to learn today. And for that, I would say you should appreciate, you should pat yourself because, see, taking the first step is the most difficult one. You might be thinking this from long time, ki I'll go for this, I'll do this, I'll start with this. But that first step, the initiation process, that is always difficult. Not long back, we just had a new year. Before New Year, everybody plans or make resolutions. I'll start with yoga from the 1st Jan. I'll start with meditation from the 1st Jan. I'll start with morning walk from the 1st Jan. What happens on the 1st? We prolong our decisions. You know what is the reason behind this? The reason is, with every positive thought in your life, whenever you think positive, you always have a doubt associated. Always. Just think, when you were planning to do something early life, the crucial moment was coming, you have start having a doubt. You were ready to go for an interview, everything is prepared. At the last moment, you start thinking, will I be able to crack or not? So that is a doubt. And it won't happen if you plan something. If you have planned for a party on 1st Jan, or if you have planned for a picnic for the 1st Jan, or if you have planned for a movie, you won't delay. Why? I won't say these are not positive things, but these are not what can bring a change in your life. These are not what can replace what you are today. Oh, sorry. So please remember in your life, whenever you are trying to do or start a new venture, a new step you are taking, there would be always one doubt associated. And that is because even the universe, the power, they try to check whether we are relevant for the thing or not. Right. So you have taken today the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. So that is what you should congratulate yourself. You should pat yourself. Yes, I am on the right path. And today I'll start that learning. So let me introduce myself. So I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna, a certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. Also, I've written some books, Vedic mathematics step by step, that is for the teachers, the trainers across the globe. Again, along with that, I have also written some books for the students, class 3rd to class 8th, which are now implemented in different schools of India as well as Nepal. So I'm an educator from last 25 years, and I motivate and help people to grow as an entrepreneur. I always say, if you want to become a trainer, come to me. If you just want to be a learner, you have so many options. Correct. So we will focus on how to become a trainer, not only a simple learner. So what I'll expect is, whenever there are queries, whenever there are questions come up, you may be asking something wrong or not, that leave that to me, but always ask your questions, right? So that was the reason I said the first step towards the success or towards any path is always the difficult. Once you climb that first path, you are on your way towards the success. And second, never think, oh, I am old enough, will I be able to do this now? See, life, you don't know what time it will change. I have teachers who are 74 students who are more than 70 years of age. And I have students who are 17 years. So if they can do, why not you? So take that feeling in yourself and do the things, right? So that was what I taught in Bhagavad Gita, that is written, with every positive thought, there is always a doubt associated. We lose our confidence at that time. So we need to believe in us, right? So don't worry. Now you are at the right time, right place, and let's start this workshop or the class with the positivity and confidence. So this is the day to learn, launch, and lead and move towards a success. See, now this workshop, it has three aspects. One is learning. You'll be learning some things. One is how to launch the things. So that is a second day. Will now, since we could not have yesterday, so definitely second day will I'll give you sometime later, and how to lead further, right? So learn, launch, and lead. These are the three aspects of this workshop. I'll start with a brief history of Vedic mathematics. Now, why it is called as Vedic Maths? Now, this is called Vedic Maths because it is because of its origin from Vedas. And if we are to specifically say, it is Athar Veda, the fourth Veda. Do you know how many Vedas we have?
Four.
What are those? First, second, third. What are those?
Shamved, Riduved, I think I can't pronounce properly.
No issues.
Riduved. Sorry?
No issues. Whatever
Okay.
things you can say.
Yeah. Shamved, Rigved, Ardved, and the fourth one is uh I can't remember right now.
Okay. Rigved,
Uh-huh.
Samved, Sam, Sam. Correct.
Samved. Uh-huh.
Rig, Sam, Yajur,
Uh-huh.
Yjur, and the fourth one is called as Atharva Veda. So this
Yes.
particular subject, Vedic mathematics, it's believed to be taken or originated from our fourth Veda. See, why I'm using the word believed? Because I have not seen Veda. I have not studied Veda. Neither you, neither so many people, so many teachers of India. So we are totally dependent on what Swami Jagadguru Krishna Tiraj Ji Maharaj of Govardhan Peeth he gave. He revived this subject, correct? And with his efforts only we are learning Vedic mathematics. Now, Athar Veda is the Veda which deals with branches like engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Right? Any question you have up till here? So this was very brief history. It is called Vedic Maths because of its origin from Vedas. That is Athar Veda. We have four Vedas. Now, also, the name Vedic means ocean of knowledge. So that also we need to understand. It is deep knowledge of the topic, of the subject. Right. Now, technically, what is Vedic Maths? So, Vedic Maths is a collection of techniques like we have in maths formulas. Here we call those formulas as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve mathematical calculations in easy, simple, and faster way. I told you initially only simple, easy, and faster. So that's a very simple definition. It is a collection of techniques or sutras which help to solve mathematics in an easy, simple, and faster way. So how many formulas do we have? We have 13 formulas and 16 formulas and 13 sub formulas. So we call it as 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras. Correct. With which you can solve the problems of arithmetics. Now, first is arithmetic because we all deal, the students, they start with arithmetics, then algebra, then geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and so on. Correct. So, any question?
Right now, I don't have any question.
Okay. Now, question arises, why? Why should we do Vedic maths? Why Vedic mathematics? So, the first point is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this? Can you believe that it can solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster?
Actually, usually we're taking time.
So with Vedic maths, you'll see that we'll be able to solve much faster. Correct. So this is the first point. Why should we do Vedic maths? And so you can write down on a page why Vedic mathematics. And the first point, it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster.
Then,
Okay. So to prove this, okay, before proving this, I'll ask you one question. Let me put the screen. Now, I said why. Are you able to see the white screen?
yeah, sure, I can see.
So the question is why Vedic maths? And I answered it helps to solve mathematical problems or calculations, you can say 10 to 15 times faster. Now, you said, yes, it may be also, may not be. But my question is something different. This is a believed fact. That is the reason you are also trying to learn Vedic maths, because you are fascinated by this term or with this definition. Because whenever we see Google, whenever we talk about Vedic maths, the first thing everybody says is your speed will increase. Now the question arises, why will the speed increase? Why it increases? Yes, any guess, anything you have thought, because you might have gone through so many posts and all. So do you think why?
I think because of few techniques, what we have sutras, with the help of the sutras, and we will continuously practice of the same thing. So maybe
So why not with the formulas of maths? Because I told you sutras are nothing but the same. What you call it as a formulas in maths, and here we call it as sutras.
Yeah, because Vedic mathematics means like the shortest way of the calculation, like in
Okay.
the comparison of general math.
Now I'll give you. I'll tell you why it happens.
Mhm.
The first factor is direction. How do you read a paper? Which direction?
Direction from the
Left side to right
left
side.
side, yeah.
So you read from left to right. How do you write
Yes.
on paper?
Mm.
How do you write?
From the left to right.
Left to right. Now,
Yeah.
wherever you are sitting, just see in front of you. What you'll see first, left side or right hand side?
Left, right.
So you read left to right, you write left to right, you see left to right. Then why maths right to left? Why?
Yeah, usually we solving the mathematics calculation right to left.
Why? When you do everything left to right, so why this is right to left? Tell me.
Actually, from the childhood days, we learning the
Did you
right
try
to
the
left.
reverse way?
Yeah.
Did you try from left to right?
No, never.
So this is the problem with us. See, our parents taught us to eat roti, chapati, what you call somebody call roti, somebody chapati, sab pranthas. What we are doing today? Pizza, pastas, and so on. Where did we learn that from? Social media, friends, and everywhere.
Yes.
Our dress was a very simple sari or something like that. What today we wear, we learnt it from friends, social media, and all. So why not knowledge? Why not education from the social media? Why didn't we try? This is the answer that with every positive thought you have a doubt. You don't try even.
Hmm.
And believe me, the moment you'll start maths also left to right, your speed will automatically increase.
Oh.
We'll prove this. So in Vedic maths, you can solve left to right also or right to left. And that is the reason the calculation becomes independent of direction. And that is the reason it becomes faster. So was the first reason why your speed increases. Now, these things are not written in Google anywhere. You can check, scroll Google, YouTube, anywhere. So what these points I'm teaching you, that is based on the experience and how we have done it. Right.
Mhm.
I've done a lot of research on this topic. Now, second reason behind it, independence. Okay. You have a maid at your home or you do
Well,
everything on your own?
no, I'm doing myself. I don't have any mate.
Okay. Leave that point. Any other work, if I ask you to do something
Mhm.
and if you pass that work to somebody else, if you pass that order to someone else, who will
Mhm.
do faster? If you're doing on your own or if you are doing getting it done from someone?
I think if I know how to do the work, so maybe in the comparison of other, I can do faster.
Yes, because when you do yourself, you are independently doing it.
Yes, of course.
Same in the Vedic maths, you are independent of paper and pen. You don't need these things. So
Mhm.
when you don't need paper and pen, you are independently doing it, solving it through your brain. And it is much, much faster. So that is the reason why our speed increases. We are not dependent on paper. We're not dependent on pen. Today, if you ask any child any question on maths, any question, any simplest question also, what he'll do, he'll first look for the paper and pen. He won't use this brain, what the person is asking me. No, he'll search for a paper and pen. So this Vedic maths, it removes that, and it you become independently, you can do without paper and pen, and that is the reason why your speed increases to many folds. Correct? Now, third reason. The third reason, we call it as VRL. I told you, like, students, if you ask a simple question also, let's say, now I am asking you a question. Can you tell me this answer in 1 second or 2 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? Or 576 into 121?
Sorry, not 1 or 2 seconds.
है ना? Why? Because you
No, I will
are
take time.
going to do it on pen and paper.
Yes.
But here we will understand how to visualize numbers. When you start visualizing numbers, what happens? Reasoning comes and logic is applied. So that we will
Yes.
understand how this VRL will have an impact and which can change a life. So VRL means visualization, reasoning, logics. And this is not only for the benefit of maths. No, it is a life-changing process, I call it as. You might have often heard in IAS interview, there is a question, how many steps you climbed before reaching the office? Right? कितनी सीढ़ियां चढ़ के आप
Yeah.
ऑफिस पहुंचे? What is your first reaction on that? We laugh, है ना?
Definitely off because we use normally we not trying to focus on that things.
Just so are the people who are asking this question, they are fools? No. Please
No.
understand, what they want from you is they want to understand how much you visualize, or how much
Yeah.
you focus, or how much you concentrate, how much attention you pay while doing even a small thing.
Mhm.
See, they are trying to understand your, you know, positive points. So it's not a waste question. It's about analyzing a person, how focused he is. And that is not a small thing. Because when you, for example, you are also moving on a road and you don't know what is on the both sides. Why? Because we are ignoring everything.
Yes.
So, Vedic maths, you'll see, will start observing numbers. So, when you'll start observing means here visualization. I'm using the word visualization, it you can use observing. That gives birth to reasoning. अगर कुछ सोचोगे, कुछ देखोगे, तभी तो क्वेश्चन आएंगे मन में. अगर इग्नोर ही करके जा रहे हो, सोए पड़े हो बेड पे, तो कुछ भी तो नहीं होगा.
Yes.
And that gives birth to logics. A very simple example to this is, किसी का फोन आया, गुस्से में आपसे गाली गलोच किया, आपने भी सेम रिस्पॉन्ड कर दिया, लड़ाई हो गया. अगर वही आप ध्यान से सुनते, उस टाइम चुप हो जाते, तो वो टल जाएगी बात. So that is the reason I say VRL is a life changing process. It's not only for mathematics. So this, because you visualize the numbers, you find the reason, you apply the logic, so the speed automatically increases. Got it?
Well, What is the full form of VRL? What I
we
can observe, like visualization.
visualization,
Mhm.
reasoning, and logic. I'll write down.
Thank you.
See, Vedic math और उसमें यही डिफरेंस है. I'll give them.
The
So basically, they try to, the point is they try to understand how keen observer you are. Got it? And here also, the more you'll observe, you'll be able to do mentally. Otherwise, एक मिनट, जब आप ऑब्जर्व ही नहीं करोगे तो मेंटली करोगे कैसे? फिर तो वही पेपर पेन. हाँ, आपने ट्रिक याद कर ली और पेपर पेन पे कर रहे हो, तो वो तो आधा बेनिफिट हुआ ना. वो पूरा बेनिफिट तो होगा ही नहीं. गॉट इट? सो अगर वैदिक मैथ्स का बेनिफिट क्या है? सेकंड बेनिफिट में मैंने कहा पेपर पेन की जरूरत नहीं. वो तभी होगा व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम हियर. करेक्ट. फोर्थ पॉइंट. This is basically brain activation. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Generally, we have two paths, left brain and right brain. Who are the students or who are the people who have left brain active and who are the people who have right brain active?
A person who's using his left hand, so his right brain is active.
Okay.
hmm I'm just observing.
Mm-hmm. Hey, it's
And
okay.
and a person who's using his right hand, so maybe his left side of brain is active.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now, tell me simple one thing. Are you putting up in a nuclear family or a combined?
Mm. Right now, I'm living with my in-laws.
Okay.
Mm.
So, does grandmother, mm, paternal or maternal, does they allow the kid to write from left hand?
No.
Then, so that means their brain will got. See, this is misconception.
Mhm.
Because generally in India, I don't know about, I cannot comment on abroad, but in India, they never allow to write from the left hand.
Yes.
तो फिर ब्रेन खत्म हो गया वो वाला.
खत्म ही होता. बट द थिंग इज कि उनके कंपैरिजन में जो मैंने एक्चुअली ये अभी कल ही एक आर्टिकल में देखा था, वैसे ही मैं वो एक डेली हिंट करके एक ऐप होता है जिसमें बेसिक क्वेश्चंस लाइक इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए देते हैं. तो ऐसे ही उसमें लिखा हुआ था. अभी कुछ टाइम से मैं वैदिक मैथ सर्च कर रही थी, तो जो भी लीड्स आती है फिर वो वैदिक मैथ्स की ही आती है कंटिन्यूअसली. एंड देन उसमें ये एक ऑप्शन ऐसा कुछ दिया हुआ था कि जो लेफ्ट साइड मींस ब्रेन होता है, अगर आप राइट हैंड यूज करते हो तो उनके कंपैरिजन में जो सॉरी जो राइट लेफ्ट हैंड यूज करते हैं वो राइट हैंड्स के कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, जो पर्सन राइट हैंड यूज करते हैं कंपैरिजन में.
See,
और
I'll
बट मीन्स कुछ फर्क होता है.
maybe. See,
हम्म.
basically, जो लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है ना, दे आर लॉजिकली स्ट्रोंगर.
हम्म.
एंड सो उनका एक क्वेश्चन आप देखोगे वो क्लास में चाहे पीछे बैठे हो लास्ट बेंच पे भी, हर बात पे क्वेश्चन मार्क.
Yeah.
वाई, वेयर, हु. So that is logics. They ask
Yeah.
every time, they'll ask you why. And right brain is a creative, arts, music, ये ज्यादा होता है. इनफैक्ट वी डोंट यूज बोथ आर ब्रेन्स. We are not using our brains regularly.
We are not using our brains regularly means.
हम दोनों ब्रेन तो यूज ही नहीं करते.
हाँ.
But this is what happens in Vedic maths. In Vedic maths, you'll be using both your brains, left as well as right. So when you'll start using both your brains, your speed will automatically increase. हम
In the same time, we will use the both
Yes,
brain,
I'll
both
I'll
sides.
I'll give you one small exercise also. How you can do. One brain will think what is the number to be written. Another will think about what is coming next. At the same time, you're thinking two things and you're doing two calculations at the same part. Now, this
Oh,
is what is missing in our maths because we don't think beyond. So when both the brains get activated, our speed increases. So these are the four factors why our speed increases with Vedic maths. So first reason was
direction.
direction, कि we
Hmm.
are getting independent of the direction. Second reason was independence. We can do
Independence.
without paper and pen. Now, see,
Hmm.
all are linked together. You cannot think anything without other. And the third thing was
VRL.
VRL, visualization. Now, visualization will happen only if you're doing without paper and pen. Na?
Yeah.
The last is
Brain
both the
action.
brain's activation. Again, for this, you need to think, you need to analyze, you need to visualize. Before visualization, your brain cannot work. You just check today with any child. You ask him one question, he'll take a paper and start writing. So, where
Yes,
have
sir.
you used your brain? Why didn't you try this brain to think what could be the answer, what could be the number, what could be the possibility? We never allow our brain to think also. And with VRL, what happens? It becomes a general part of your habit. Every time you'll think that way. So there are certain points when you go through students' book. The first topic I have dealt with is digit sum. There, you start ignoring 9. So that is what is the first step towards visualization. Wherever you get 9, you ignore it. So what happens? It slowly and steadily, within few days, you are able to train your brain accordingly. Right. And a practice of 15 minutes of Vedic maths daily for 3 months can speed up your calculation. That's granted. Right. Okay. So let's start with the practical. Now, have you written all these 4 points?
Yeah, of course. I did.
Okay. So the first topic will be multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So what are multiples of 11? What are multiples of 11?
Means 22, 33.
42,
Yeah.
33, 44, 55, 66. So whatever comes in the table of 11.
Mm.
Now, why I started with 11? See, 11 is a magical number with which you will understand so many things.
Yeah.
Why I call it as a magical number? You multiply any single digit number with 11. That number gets repeated.
Yes.
But does this magic goes beyond that? Does
Mm.
it goes for two-digit number, three-digit number, four-digit number? Yes. See, even in the two-digit number, for example, if you're multiplying 10 into 11, so it is actually 10 and 10. But since you cannot have two digits here, it becomes 110. If it
Yes.
is four-digit number, let's say, okay, first three-digit number, 234. So it is again 234, 234. And we can have only single here. So this is answer. But to understand Vedic maths, I'll give you a different concept. This also will be explaining. And to understand how this Vedic maths helps us. I'll take the first question as 11 into 12. So what is the answer? Yes, 11 into 12. What is the answer?
I need to use a pen or paper right now.
You can use, let's see how much time you are taking, then I'll tell you how to do easy. You have pen and paper.
Thank you. $132.
132. See, you took more than 60 seconds. Now, please understand, whenever on one side you have 11 and other side there is a two-digit number. So first digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So what is 1 plus 2? 3.
3.
So see, I got the answer without doing any big thing. I'll give a general formula for that. If 11 is multiplied with AB, AB is a two-digit number. So first is A, then I'm putting this line here. I'll explain you this line, A plus B and B. So first digit, first plus second digit, second digit. Did you understand?
No, I didn't understand the A plus B.
That A is a general thing. Na? Any number could be there.
Okay, okay.
So generally, yes,
Oh,
everybody
yeah,
has
I
it.
get it now. I get it now.
No issues. 23. Now we'll take every. So 23 means 2. What is 2 plus 3? 5
5.
and 3.
Oh,
Correct.
yeah.
So what is 44 into 11? Pick.
Sorry, 44 into?
We are doing 11 only right now. So 44 is the number. What is the answer? No need of paper pen now. 4, 8, 4. Are you
Yeah.
getting? 4 as it is. 4 plus 4, 8 and 4. नहीं समझ आया?
नहीं समझ आया. मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है सॉल्व करने में.
नहीं.
Otherwise,
इसमें
समझ में आ
फास्ट
रहा
होना
है.
है आपको. You have to be fast now. Got it. 32 into 11. Give me the answer fast.
It's 352.
That's all. If you want to be more fast, say 352.
No.
Correct. What is 62 into 11? 62. दिमाग में
682.
सोचो.
682.
Very good. 54 into 11.
594.
594. That's why I said don't 500 this. So 594.
Okay.
71 into 11. Fast.
781.
7, 8.
1.
81 into 11.
891.
891. 34 into 11.
384. 1.
Huh?
3.
How is 3 plus 4 is
37.
8?
374.
Very good. 36 into 11.
396.
396. 45 into 11.
495.
So are you not getting faster than the calculator or your normal way?
Sorry?
Are you not getting faster?
I'm not doing faster, right? Yeah.
I'm saying you are doing faster than the calculator or not?
Yeah, I'm trying. I can't. Okay.
But with your normal method, you are fast now?
Yeah.
Okay. You will improve. Don't worry. You'll further improve. Now, there is one thing. See, what you are doing is you are visualizing the number,
Mm.
observing the number. Then that's the first number you're writing as it is. Then you are in brain adding two numbers. So you never did this way. You never thought adding in brain. And that happens when we are shopping. We just open the calculator because we cannot calculate.
Yes, of course.
I'll give you one example on this. How many phone numbers do you remember?
Nothing.
एक दो तो होंगे.
सिर्फ मुझे मेरा याद है बस.
करेक्ट. और 10 साल पहले जब आपके पास मोबाइल नहीं था तब
तब यूजुअली सबके याद रहते थे.
तो क्या हमारा दिमाग खराब हो गया?
लेजी हो गए.
नहीं. We have programmed ourselves that why should I remember?
Yeah.
Same is happening with the generation.
Mm-hmm.
So you are not losing your brain. Basically, you thought, why should I do this? वही ऑब्जर्वेशन की जरूरत क्या हमें, हमने कौन सा कुछ करना है. सी द मोर यू, मैं एक चीज बताता हूं. आज कोई चीज वॉट एवर यू यूज, एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एनी डिवाइस, एनी प्लेस, जब तक आप रेगुलर उसमें काम कर रहे हो, विजिट कर रहे हो, वो साफ सुथरा सब कुछ रहता है. आप उसे थोड़े दिन यूज मत करो, देखो खराब हो जाएगा. चाहे वो गाड़ी हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो. सो सेम इज विद हैपनिंग विद आवर ब्रेन्स. चलो. सो व्हाट इज 36 into 11?
36, I think this is the same question.
हाँ,
396.
there is a reason behind it. Don't worry.
हाँ,
I know.
396.
396.
Mm.
What is 37 into 11?
37, that will be 4407.
407. Now, generally, people say 3, 10, 7. Now, what
No, because we have to add one with 3.
why? I'll clarify. Here, you need to understand one concept. That concept is called as place values. So, generally, we say we have unit place, we have tens place, we have 100 position, we have 10 thousands. Correct? My question
Yes.
is, how many digits can come under unit place?
Only one.
Only one. How many digits can come under tens position?
2.
How many digits can come under 100 position?
3. Okay.
Now, this is where every student fails. Every teacher fails. I'll reason. Now, you are sitting on a chair. Correct?
Yeah.
Can anyone sit on the same chair with you? Not possible. In a class, so when you are teaching to the kids, you have to ask them, how many students are there in the class? They'll say 40. How many chairs? 40. Why not 20 chairs? Why not 30 chairs? Every student needs one chair. Yes, if it is a bench, of course, you have a reason to say that. Bench is something different. But every person, every student needs one chair to sit. Similarly, one position is required by one digit. So it is not 132, it is always 111 only. I'll give you, see this example 68. At what position 6 is? What is this position?
6 is tens.
Tens. So is 6 a single digit or two digit?
It's a 10 2 digit because 6 0. Here it's a 1 digit.
Think
1
about
digit.
this number only.
Oh, it's a 1 digit.
So how can we see total? You are talking about 60. But when you are thinking in that terms, a digit is always single. Here also you can have 0 to 9, any number. Here also you can have 0 to 9. So you have option of 10 numbers, but only one can exist. One number will come. This, if we understand this basic, entire maths can be done with this. I'll prove you in 2 days how entire maths can be done. So what happens when it was 36? I said 3. Let me put a line. 9, a line. So this I call it as balancing line. It has no, it's just a virtual for your understanding. It has no physical value. Balancing line, it does not exist in maths. It does not even exist. Some people use in Vedic maths, some don't. Now, when it was 37, it became 3, 10, 7. So, see, this is correct. But can we have two digits at 10's position?
No.
No. So, what happens if a student is sitting in chair, another student comes? So, what happens? They shift. Correct. So, this is what happens, shift. And 4, 0, 7. Now, every place has one digit. So, it is correct. But how to do it mentally? Because we said we will not use paper. So always understand. When you were adding these two numbers, there was no carryover. So you thought 3, 9, 6. But now you observed, I am getting a carryover. See here, you'll be using both your brains. So automatically add 1 to the previous number. 3 plus 1 is 4. Why 4 I'm doing? Because I know I'll be getting a carryover. So I just wrote 4. 3 plus 7 gives me 10. 1 is already gone. I have to write the second only, 0. And 7 as it is. So mentally, you can do like this. Whenever there is a carryover, increase 1 automatically. Clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's practice on this also. What is 56 into 11? So 5 becomes 6 because I'll get
600, 616.
so 616.
Yeah,
Correct. If you
616.
cannot do mentally today, no issues. You go like this. 616. What is 76 into 11? First.
846.
836. Why 7 and plus 6 is
Oh,
13, not
sorry.
14.
Yeah, sorry.
87 into 11. 95.
957.
957. Correct. Now 78.
8, 5, and 8.
8.
538.
5, 3. 4 plus 8 is
Sorry, 528.
55.
605.
66.
726.
726. 88. Tell me. 88.
968.
968. Good. 39.
429.
Very good. So what is the largest two-digit number?
Largest two-digit number 99.
So what is 99 into 11?
Oh my God, I can't do this.
Do it. Try. Listen. See here. 9 plus 1
One,
is?
10,
Yes.
8, 9.
Finish. So why you said you cannot do it?
It's close to four digit.
So what? See, you are having a fear. Now you have to choose one thing. See, fear means forget everything and run away. Also, it means face everything and rise above. So what do you want?
Face above and rise one. Rise above. Sorry. Face everything and rise above.
So don't say this. Oh, it's tough. Just put a pressure on this brain. Everything would be sorted out. Correct?
Yeah.
So any question in 11 multiplication from any two-digit number, you can just think. Take 1 minute for yourself. Close your eyes. Think. Right from 10 to 99, any number could create a trouble for you.
Right now.
Yes, just close your think na. Any number can is difficult. Think.
Only two digit, right?
Yes. Right now we did only two-digit na.
Mm. No. No, yes, of course, but yeah, the 99 was
What?
like
It was
99
nothing.
was it
Nothing.
was like
Nothing. You just had to think this only. 9 becomes 10. So what is left? 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 is left and 9. Finish. Why do you think that way? Why don't you think this way? If you'll start thinking this way, nothing is difficult. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, coming to the next. Let's start with three-digit numbers now. 1, 2, 3 into 11. Yes, can you make a guess? Or should I give you the answers? I'll tell you.
Here we will get three digit answer, right?
See, it's not
One.
every time you'll get three-digit. It depends on the first multiplication. Here you might get
It's
3, but in others you might get 4 also. So it's never like you will always get 3 only.
one times one is one.
So see,
One, two,
first digit as it is. Second, 1 plus 2 is
one.
1 plus 2.
Sorry, three,
Second, 2 plus 3 is,
5.
and last digit as it is.
Oh, okay.
This is Vedic maths. You'll see the things speed up. So got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is 3
Yes.
to 1 into 11?
Sorry.
What is 3 to 1 into 11? The reverse.
Reverse. It will be this like reversible 3, 5, 3, 1.
Got it?
Yeah.
Is it difficult now?
Not right now. It's
Oh,
quite for me.
2, 4, 2. Give me the answer. 2, 4, 2.
2, 6.
Fast, fast.
6, 2. 2, 6, 6, 2.
Got it? Are you not?
Yeah, I get the concept. But yes, of course, I'm calculating by mind quite slow.
See, I should not ask your age, but at least you are, if you're 35, 40, for 35, 40 years, you have not used your brain. Particularly for calculation purpose, you have never used. So how do you expect within one single minute it will start?
Yeah,
इंजन
of
गर्म होने
course.
में टाइम लगता है ना, सर्दियां
Yeah.
हैं,
Mhm.
but it will do. If you understood the concept, everything is easy. Correct? 2, 6, 3. Give me the answer fast. 2, 6, 3.
Is it 2, 8, 9, 3?
Very good. So what is the problem? Clear. You're doing it correct. 3, 1,
Problem is
6. 3, 1, 6.
3, 3, 7, 6.
1 is missing. Can 316, if multiplied by 11, will give same 3-digit number?
No, it will be 3, 4, 7, 6.
Perfect. Got it. Okay. Now see, I'm making certain changes. 3, 8, 1. Now tell me.
Okay. It's 4, 1.
Then 4, 1, then.
9, 1.
So correct. 4, 1, 9, 1. Why you used 4? Because 3 plus 8 will give you a carryover. 5, 5, 3.
Six, 0, 8, 3.
6, 0, 8,
8,
3.
3.
Now see what changes I'm making. Instead of 381, I'm saying 388. Now, yes, tell me. What happened?
I'm thinking.
Just say. Now
4,
this 4. See, now we are going to
4.
use both our brains. 3 was becoming 4 because this calculation is giving me a carryover.
Yeah.
So I gave 4. So
4,
what is left?
2.
3 plus 8 is 1 left. But again, there is a carryover coming from here also.
Yeah, 2 times 2
So
have
this will
carried.
become 2. 6, 8.
And then 8.
So see, if it now this is a double dose, you can say. So you can do like this: 3, 11, 16, 8. Balance
Yeah.
8, 6, 2, 4. Write down. You can write down both these.
Yeah, done.
Got it?
Mhm.
Now I'm making this 553 to triple five. Give me the answer fast.
Five, five. That will be six. Six, then 6, 1,
Perfect. Then
0, 5.
very good. So see, you are able to use your brain. The only thing is you have to believe in yourself. The only thing is you have to start using it. Got it?
Yeah, I have after the class I will do a few more practices myself.
6, 8, 7. Now tell me.
6, 6, 7, 5, 5. And the last digit will be same, right? The 7.
Yes. Correct. Any
Yeah.
doubt?
No.
8, 6, 9. Now give me.
Here. 9,
Mhm.
5, 5,
Mhm.
and the 9 again.
Very good. So what is the trouble? You're doing good. You have to believe in yourself. I don't.
Yeah, but during the calculation, I'm get stuck, right?
See, that is what
When I'm just trying to, huh?
Harsha, that is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Since how much time you have not used brain to calculate?
Mhm.
So how can you expect? मैं बार
Yes,
बार
of
बोल रहा हूँ
course.
इंजन स्टार्ट होने में तो टाइम लेगा ना बट
Yeah.
still if you press this on calculator you have to press 6 7 digits 8
Yeah.
6 9 into 1 1 then is equal to then you'll get the answer and your brain is least faster than that है ना got it
Yeah.
okay so what is largest 3 digit number
Largest digit number is 999.
so what is 999 into 11
Not again.
what again that you have to do just think see this becomes 10
Yeah, it
becomes
will be
9
10989. Yeah.
so what is difficulty in this first thing you have to remove your fear you have to say yes I can so your job is to speak here for yourself yes I can 50 times you will be able to do everything okay got it now
Yeah.
1 2 3 4 into 11 can you give me the answer
Here I will get 5 numbers, right? And the answer.
don't think about that way just one step at
It will be 1. 1 times 2 is 4. No, actually, I'm not getting.
you didn't try first as it is then what is 1 plus 2 3 what is 2
3.
plus 3
Oh,
5 what is 3 plus 4 7 and 4
4
finished
same. Yeah.
so why you're not getting 1 3 5 7 4 got it
Yeah.
clear
Mhm.
what is 2 3 2 3 into 11
5 2 5 then 5 again and 5 again and the last is 3.
So it's correct. 2, 6, 3, 6.
1 sorry 2 plus 8 then 6 plus 3 is 9 then again 6 plus 3 is 9 2 8 9 9 6.
So what is the problem?
Now no
Chalo,
problem.
now let's start carryovers.
Oh,
First single carryover.
single carry over, is this something?
नहीं नहीं, एक ही बार एक ही जगह आ रहा है ना.
Acha, this one, this is another question, right? 2 8
Yes.
1 2.
Yes.
uh 2 1 times 2 is 2, then 2 plus 8 is 10, that will be 3 0. 8 plus 1 is 9, then 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 again. 3 0 9 3 2.
Got it. See, so 3, 0, 9, 3, 2. Now
2.
I am changing this. I'm saying 2, 8, 8, 1. Now,
That will be 2 and 2 plus and
one brain is calculating, another is thinking what is coming next. This is called as both brains getting activated. You're putting lot of pressure on your brain.
3
2, 8, 8,
1
1. So that means
3
3,
1
1,
3 1
6,
6
9.
9 and 1.
So 3, 1, 6, 9, 1. I'm again changing it. 2, 8, 8, 8.
3 1 7 6 8.
Very good. So is it clear?
Yeah.
Any point, anything you want to ask me?
uh Suppose that like anyone is facing the problem in the imagination or visualization, right? And like whenever he has to like what I was doing, I was trying to add the three numbers together at the time, right? So in this situation, how could I explain to the person if somebody is doing?
See, very first thing, students will not take so much of time because they
Yeah,
are
because
young.
they're young, na?
ये प्रॉब्लम टीचर्स में ही आती है क्योंकि हम
हाँ.
एक स्ट्रिक्ट अपने माइंड को करके चल रहे हैं. व्हेन यू गिव फ्रीडम टू योर ब्रेन दैट आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग एंड आई वांट टू लर्न, इट विल एक्सेप्ट एवरी ऑर्डर. सेकंड थिंग, वही बात है कि इतना टाइम हो गया, थोड़ा सा लगता है. तो अगर वो नहीं हो रहा तो टेक दैट सेकंड स्टेप. You are not able to understand to, so let's say this is the question and you're not able to do, so then this everybody knows na.
Yeah.
So ये बैलेंसिंग इसीलिए सिखाया. 8, 6, 7, 1, फिनिश.
Yeah.
सो बैलेंसिंग का मतलब तो सिंगल डिजिट्स को ऐड करना है. अगर वो भी नहीं कर पाया तो फिर कैसे करेंगे?
Yes, of
So
course.
everybody is able to do. So first day, if they are not understanding, go for this step. They are understanding, the only point is they're not able to do as fast as,
Mhm.
right? Otherwise, yesterday I had a session for Kathmandu students.
Mhm.
So आप उसमें जब वीडियो देखोगे ना, तो वो देखना कि सारे बच्चे जवाब दे रहे थे. तो क्यों दे रहे थे? क्योंकि बच्चे जल्दी कर जाते हैं अडेप्ट,
Yeah.
है ना. चलो, now the question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. What is the answer?
1 2 3 4 5.
Hmm.
Yeah. 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then there will be
इतना
क्या?
देर नहीं.
Sorry, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 5.
और यही क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा था शुरू में. आपने क्या कहा था? आई कैन नॉट डू. नाउ यू आर एबल टू डू. Got it? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Finish. Check. I asked you this question. Okay.
But
Any question, any doubt you have?
right now, I don't have any doubt regarding to the question or the concept. I don't have any doubt. Yes,
Okay.
of course, but I'm just taking time whenever I
That
need to
is
think or
that you
whenever.
have to practice.
Uh,
That I cannot make you practice, right?
yeah, I will do the practice after the class. Then,
Okay.
like, I will.
Now, if you understood everything,
Mhm.
let's ask you some questions. So, what did
Observe
you
it.
observation? What was the observation in this concept? In fact, first question is what was the topic?
The topic was multiplication by 11.
Okay. Where did we multiply?
Sorry,
Where did we multiply?
by mind.
Are you sure we multiplied?
Mm, we added the number.
We added. Can you be more precise? Did we added simple numbers?
Yeah, of course. We added the simple numbers with 11. No?
See, the first topic when you are teaching class third or second, you teach this is a question 2 into 3 is 6. Correct?
Yeah.
Not even single student understand what is this cross. Till that time, they have studied only addition.
Mm.
That time, the teacher explains 2, if added 3 times, it becomes 6. Or
Yeah,
3, if added 2 times, it becomes 6.
6.
And then a definition is given. Multiplication is repetitive addition. Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, my first question was 12 into 11 or 11 into 12. So, did I add it 12, 11 times?
No,
Or did I add it 11, 12 times?
no.
So, then how addition? That's why I said, please be particular.
We didn't add it in this way, but we just add like in the circle with the after number. For example,
What do you call that?
sorry,
What will you call that?
I will call that addition, but
With what? See, you were adding corresponding digits. Please understand, or neighboring digits. For example,
neighboring. Yeah,
if I was having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, did I added 1 and 5?
no. We added
Did
just
I
next number,
added
the
2 and
neighbor.
5? No, we added 1 plus 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. That means we were adding corresponding digits. So please understand, this is very important thing. Simply saying addition does not work. A student will never understand because he will never able to remember what was addition. किस नंबर से किसको करना है वो तो पता नहीं.
Yes.
Now is it clear? This was the first observation.
Yes,
Anything
sir.
important you observe in this system, in this methodology, in this method of multiplication? Anything you observed?
The same method, like as you told me, first we have to go left to right, right? In the same method, we did left to right, the neighboring number addition.
So that means for the first time you calculated left to right.
Yeah.
And just observe, if it is to be done mentally, which is faster, left to right or right to left?
Left to right. Right to left will take time.
So, but we have a habit of doing from left, right.
Yeah.
So did you understand? We never thought about it. It was not that it was not possible, but we never thought. So the first time in your life you did left to right. Now this is what you understand from here. If you go from left to right, you'll be much faster in mental speed. साइकिल चलाया कभी?
Yeah.
जब आगे से हवा होती है, हम चल रहे हैं, आगे से हवा है, तो क्या होगा? प्रेशर पड़ेगा, स्लो हो जाओगे,
हाँ,
और अगर पीछे से हवा होगी तो फास्ट हो
स्लो
जाओगे,
नहीं है। हाँ।
स्पीड बढ़ेगी. अब समझ
हम्म,
आया? When you were reading from this direction left to right and trying to calculate from the reverse section, how can you be fast? Now you are
yeah.
reading also from left to right and calculating also simultaneously, so that was increasing your speed. Got it?
Yeah, I get it now.
Any doubt in this topic?
Mm, not right now.
I give you 2 minutes break,
Okay.
3 minutes. Just think, whatever. After that, I'll have a test. So
Okay.
just 2 to 3 minutes only. Mine? Any question?
Not right now.
Okay, then solve this. 1, 4, 1 into 22.
By 22.
So what? Visualization, reasoning, logic, apply. I taught you this.
Yeah. 3, 1.
You can try on paper.
Actually, here I get confused in this question. 4,
Why?
1, 4. Yeah, because when we do multiply by 2, that will be 2 times 1 is 2. है ना? First digit will be same, but here we have to do multiply by 2. Then I'm getting confused in this side. First number. Like
What
after then we have
what
to
did you
add.
observe? See, don't make this line your habit. I'm getting confused. Don't make it.
Okay.
Don't make an excuse every time. Think here. See now. What is this? Will a
This is
teacher
22.
give you a question which he has not taught? Yes, particularly 22 I didn't taught, but I taught you the concept.
Yeah, concept.
What is 22? 22 is nothing but 2 into
1 to 4.
11. Correct?
Yeah, I get it.
So this is 282. 2141 into 2 is the simplest thing. Into 11. Can we not do this? 3102. So in the brain itself, we could have done this. 22 is nothing but only this is possible if you visualize the number 22. I told you. I told you that we are going to learn multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Got my point? But here, a backbencher will say, sir, why not 141 into 11 into 2? That will give 1551 into 2. That will give 3102. Now, both the answers are correct. But the question arises, which is the correct methodology? Can you
Yeah.
think?
Can you please explain again?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. I'm not explaining anything.
Okay.
I'm asking you, you can do by both the ways. So which is correct as per you?
The second one.
Why?
141. It makes easy.
141 into 11 is easy. So is 282 into 11 difficult?
Quite difficult.
Why? Tell me.
280 to 11? No, it's not difficult.
See, please understand. This is more appropriate. Why? With 11, you can multiply any big number. Can you multiply with any other number like this? For example, if it was 141 into 99, let's say this was a point. So 141 into 9 is easy, or 1551 into 9 is easy?
141 9 is easy.
So what does that conclude? That concludes whenever you have multiplication with 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So first thing is multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and keep 11 till the last. Because with 11, even 40 numbers you can multiply together. 30 numbers you can multiply together. You just have to do balancing. Can we do with other numbers? No. Did you understand?
Yeah.
I'll give you one example. 243 into 33. Just think. What is the answer? You can use paper and pen.
That will be multiplied by 11 again, right?
Yes. So first time we'll be multiplying with 3, then 11. Will it be tough now? No.
8019.
8.
019.
So what is 243 into 3? I'll tell you how to do fast multiplication also. We'll do in other topic.
243 times 3 is 729.
Correct. Okay, we'll do it. So now you understood?
Yeah.
Now here also, if you would have done 243 into 11 first, there was a bigger number and then multiplying with 3.
Yeah.
So first multiply with the multiplier and then multiply with 11.
11.
So last 5, 7, 6 into 121. How will you do this?
In this situation, we have to take 12.
What
Then
12?
multiply.
What is 121? What is
21 is
121?
the multiplier.
Of what?
Sorry? Of
Of
what mean?
what?
Of 576? Yeah, of
What is 121?
121 is the multiplier.
अरे भाई उसको what is 121?
Square of 11.
So what you are supposed to think? Finish.
Okay.
So why you were saying 12? Who prompted you then? Hmm? You were thinking 12 into 11. Did you understand this?
Yeah, I understand. No.
See, दिमाग को खुला रखना है. 99 तक तो दिख गया. 110 भी दिख जाएगा 11 into 10. But 121 is 11 into 11. So सबसे easy है. 576 into 11. So 6, 3, 3, 6. This we just learned. Now 4-digit number. 6, 3, 3, 6 का मतलब 6, 9, 6, 9, 6.
Yes.
और अगर आप इसको नॉर्मल मेथड से करते रहते तो कितना टाइम लगता? Got
More
it?
than 1 minute yeah, more than 1 minute.
So this is, so now you agree your speed increased. You are able to do
Yeah.
from left to right also. You are able to do without paper and pen also.
Yeah.
And you are using both your brains. आपको लगा होगा फर्क जब आप mentally कर रहे हो तो you are doing two activities simultaneously. That is making your brains active. Any question now?
No.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So why Vedic mathematics? The first point I raised, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
So first point was it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Do you agree on that now?
Yeah, direction.
So many points are there. So see,
Mm.
multiplication, this we did. Left hand digit, add digits, right digit. Correct. And we took certain examples. Last we did this also. So we were adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. And we were calculating from left to right rather right to left. So this is what brings a difference. Second point is more important. It reduces burden of tables. Now, tables are a biggest burden in any child's life, and even your life. If I
Yes, of
ask you
course.
how much time you need to write a table of 89, so what is your answer?
No. 89 table, I didn't write.
चलो अगर लिखना पड़ जाए पेपर में आ जाए आप करना मजबूरी हो तो कितना टाइम लग जाएगा?
5 minutes तो लूंगी ही लूंगी. And
5 minutes. 5 minutes means 300 seconds.
yeah.
नाउ अगर आपको 5 मिनट चाहिए तो बच्चा तो 10 मिनट बोलेगा. So the same tables can be done within 10 seconds.
Oh.
That is what we need to understand, we need to learn. Okay, so let's come back to the. So here I'll teach you two topics. One is ta- writing tables of all the numbers. Okay, first
Mhm.
I'll write all numbers ending with 9. This is one thing we'll learn. So what are the numbers ending with 9?
Ending with 9.
Tell me what? कौन कौन से होंगे? कोई एग्जांपल दे सकते हो?
Ending with 9, it's simple. 9 table.
और
And and
if it is so simple, why don't you answer? Or why you are taking so much of time to answer? 9, 19, 29, 39,
Oh,
49,
oh,
59.
you mean asking? Oh, sorry. I was just thinking the other thing, other
I
one.
wrote
Like,
it very clearly,
yeah,
writing tables of all numbers ending with 9.
yeah. Now I get it.
89, 109, 389, 1159. Anything. It could be any number. Right. You can think anything, whatever comes in your mind. Now, now the question arises, and the second topic would be all tables. It's a general method, all general 2, 3, 4 digit numbers. Any, in fact, we can write 5 digits also. Any. So, this is what we are going to do, both these techniques. Now, first, let's start with writing of the tables of numbers ending with 9. Okay, let's play a game. What is this?
It's a like what we playing square and zero
हम
like
क्या
that.
कहते हैं उसको? टिक टैक टो, जीरो काटा, जीरो क्रॉस एंड सो ऑन.
Zero and cross usually we say.
करेक्ट. टिक टैक भी कहते हैं. सो वुड यू लाइक टू प्ले?
Sure.
चलो. So the first step is draw this much.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Second, write 1 at the rightmost corner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you start with this,
Okay.
go to the middle, go to the top. Can you draw this much?
Yeah, draw.
Okay. Now, what is the trick or what is the magic? How now for kids it is a magic, for you it is not a magic, it is the first sutra of Vedic maths, what we call as Ikadikena Purvena. Now, what does that sutra means? Adding 1 to the previous number. So whatever number is given, we have to add 1. So what I'm going to do is, I gave you a list of numbers. So let's say it was 19, 29, 39, 89, 109, and so on. So the magic is, just ignore this 9.
Okay.
Whatever is left, add 1 to it.
1, 2, 3.
Right. So first becomes 2, second becomes 3, third becomes 4, then 8 becomes 9, 10 becomes 11.
Yeah.
You just have to add 1. Adding
Oh,
1. This is called as ek adhik kena purvena. देखो, I've broken down the sutra. Ekadikena purvena means ek adhik ena purvena. 1 more than the previous. So previous is 1, you add 1 more. 2, previous is 2, add 1. Now how to utilize, I'll explain. This is the first sutra of Vedic maths. Now let's start with,
okay.
19. So first thing I told you is whatever is this number, add 1. So what is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Keep 2 in your mind, or for time being I can write here also. Correct. That's all. This 2 is to be added everywhere. How?
Okay.
1 plus 2?
1 plus 2 is 3.
3. 3 plus 2?
3 plus 2 is 5.
5. I'm coming down the reverse way. See the direction of green. 5 plus 2?
5 plus 2 is 7.
7 plus 2?
7 plus 2 is 9.
9 plus 2?
9 plus 2 is 11.
11 plus 2?
13.
13 plus 2?
15.
15 plus 2?
15 plus 2 is 17.
17 plus 2?
19.
I started with 19. I'm getting 19 at the last. Put 0.
Yeah.
What is this?
Sorry?
What is this?
This is the table of 19.
Correct.
Yeah.
19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 152, 171, and 190.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I get it.
Any doubt?
No, it's very easy.
Clear now?
Yeah.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay, I'll do one more. Let's say I have to do 39. So what will I add now? 3
You have
plus
to
1
add
is 4. So that means 4
4.
has to be added everywhere.
Yes.
So 3 plus 4, 7.
3 plus 4
7
is
plus
7.
4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 4, 39.
34.
Finish. So how much time we are taking? We are taking 8 to 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Correct. Now this is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. If it is clear, please write down 29 table yourself.
Okay. Done.
So what is the answers? Can you spell out?
29, 58, 87, 116, 145, 174, 203, 232, 261, and 290.
Any doubt? Any question?
No, not
So
right now.
you said 89. You cannot write or you'll take 5 minutes at least. Now see. So 8 means I have to add 9. Correct? Because 8 plus 1 will be 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 44, 53, 62, 71, 80, 89. So how much time? Only 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So now write the very simplest one, 99.
Oh, 99. Done.
So any doubt?
No.
Now see, even for 3-digit numbers, let's say 109. So then also 10 means we have to add 11. So what is
Yeah.
10 plus 11? 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 109. Easy.
Yeah.
So do one more easiest one, 199. Do it.
Easiest one.
Yes. 19 means you have to add 20.
Yeah, I get it.
So for 3-digit, this is the easiest. Like 99 was easy, adding 10 every time. So adding 10 is the simplest thing.
Done.
So is it clear now?
Yeah.
Any doubt, any questions you have in your mind?
Right now, I don't have any question.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
but I
hmm,
have to do practice more because I'm taking time to writing the table.
that that depends on you now.
Yeah.
So now this was for a general method. Now for a numbers ending with 9. Now if I say 87, 64, 36, can you write these tables?
With the same method.
This you think. Okay, up till which number you are comfortable writing easily?
Comfortable till 19.
19.
Yeah.
Correct.
Mm.
Now, so what do you do? I'll tell you. Till now, and up till which number you can speak easily?
Speak easily. Yeah. It will take time because I took lot of time. I was not using the table.
But without table, multiplication cannot be done.
Sorry?
Without tables, multiplication cannot be understood.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Now, see, let's say you have to write a table of 12 or you have to spell. So what do? You keep on multiplying,
Yeah.
or one can say, you cram it, because 12
Mhm.
is easy, but 19 you cram it, 18 you cram it.
Mhm.
Now this is the first way, but if I ask you 82, you cannot do by this. Then what you'll do, you keep on adding.
Yeah.
So this becomes, and so on. Now, so these are generally two methods. First is cramming or multiplication. Second, addition.
Yeah.
Any third technique you know?
Usually what I am doing, if suppose that I have to do the multiplication, can I write on the screen?
Sure.
Okay. For example, what I am doing, 43, okay?
Hmm.
Suppose that I need to find the multiplication of 43 times 2. So what I am doing, 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Like that.
Nee, this is multiplication. If a student has to write the complete table first,
Yeah.
then what do you do?
Then I'm not doing anything.
Okay. So where are you teaching?
Sorry, I'm not teaching. I was teaching,
Mhm.
but after marriage, I'm not. I'm doing nothing. I'm just a
Okay.
housewife.
Okay. You can remove this so that I can write.
Oh, 1 second.
It cannot be removed from my side.
Okay.
Now, See, we'll use the same place value for that.
Okay.
Let's say table of 12. Do you know table of 1?
Yeah.
Please answer. 1.
Two,
Then,
three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and
and 10.
10.
Correct. Table of
Yeah.
2.
4,
So,
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20.
finish.
Yeah.
Now, just think this way. This is your unit place. This is your tens. Just imagine.
Mm-hmm.
And we bring the numbers together. 12, 24, 36, 48.
Oh,
So first four, neither you crammed, neither you multiplied, neither you added. And
yeah.
you got first four answers. Now, here, can we have two digits at unit place?
No, one digits
So we'll put
acceptable
only
only.
0. Extra digit moves further. So what is
60,
5 plus 1? 6. 2 as it is. 6 plus 1? 7. 4
7.
as it is. 8. 6 as it is. 9. 8 as it is. 10. 0 as it is. 12. So what is easy? Adding 12 every time? Or just adding 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1? Which is easy?
Plus 1 whenever we need to add 1 only.
So why this method is not in any book of the world?
No, I don't think there is no like because in the general maths they're trying to make them learn.
Why to make them learn? Why?
I have no
Does the
idea.
teacher himself remembers?
Yeah.
If
Sorry?
a teacher himself does not remember, what right he has got to ask others to remember?
Yes, of course.
See, I'll tell you, there are 40 students in one class, and 30 are going for after school tuition with the same teacher.
Oh,
And every time 10 students fail out of those 30. So that means 25% of students are failing every time. What is the reason? Is math so tough that we should remove from our curriculums? Or the teacher is not teaching and we should change the teacher? What do you think?
in this situation, we need to change the teacher.
How many teachers would you change?
First of all, we should like find the easiest concept and like try to improve the
Who
teacher first.
now who should be held responsible for finding the easiest things?
Education system.
Okay, you all want that government should make something different. And
No, first thing is that we should improve ourselves,
that
and
is
then
the whole
we are the
point.
teacher.
Does
If
teacher
we are the teacher, so
now
we have to
there
improve
is
ourselves.
there was one point of discussion few days before. Will AI replace teachers? So what's your point on that?
Yes, of course.
Why?
Because it's more intelligent and it will give the answer fast in the comparison of the teacher,
That's all. So
and it will give the
and
like
the
new
and the
methods if we want to
teachers
solve.
were having that argument ki we have an emotional touch, we have a motherly touch, we are having a brain which system does not have. Then you're the first one to answer this. Hmm?
uh, in this situation, like
I'll tell you.
first thing is,
See, even I don't believe that this will replace, but the situation is becoming like it can replace. Reason
yes,
behind what teachers do, they collect the best notes, put in the cupboard.
yeah,
They collect the best books, put in the cupboard. They collect the best videos, put in the. So if you have to just collect and put it only, what is the use? Every point is discussed, available on YouTube, Google, everywhere. How many times we try to assess that information and make it further useful for students or for our knowledge itself. We are busy chatting and doing so many things on Facebook. Have we ever tried to gain knowledge from that?
yeah.
So that is one reason which I think yes, AI can replace. Only the emotional quotient is there. But what do you take for the emotional? If you're not delivering anything, Up till how much time you'll keep on giving the same reason? Emotional content, emotional quotient. That won't work out.
Yes,
Correct.
of course.
Now, see, with this, you can write any table. Let's say 87. So 8 means 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on. Here, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. So that means you need to remember tables up till 9 only.
Yeah.
After 9, 87 as it is, 4 as it is, 16 plus 1, 17, 1 as it is,
17.
26, 8 as it is, 34, 5 as it is, 43, 2 as it is, 52. So, is it difficult?
No.
So, why don't we try this way? Because we have made it place values also 1, 2, 3. We never take it. We try to cram everything to
We
understand.
we were not using the place value.
That's what. So, but it is available in maths. Huh?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Any question now? Same can be done for 3 digits. Let's say 368 is the quotient. Table of 368. Do it. Finish. So 360 as it is. 6, 3,
6,
7,
3.
4, 0, 11. So you have to understand this point. In this way, it becomes so simple that we are removed
Of
from that burden of tables, which was with us from so many years.
course.
Now, any question?
Not right now, but
Okay.
what I'm observing, what students can solve with this method, the table
Why
faster.
not? Why not? I
Yeah,
am
students
delivering.
can. I'm
That's
saying
what I get.
students can.
You can, when
Students
you'll be,
can say, and but yes, of course, the trainers or the teacher will take time whenever they have to calculate the mind.
so they have to come out of that. Yeah, I know everything.
Oh,
When they'll come out from that phase, I know everything, then they'll be able to learn. Okay. Now, see what is the difference now? Multiplication, like we were doing. Suppose this was multiplied. What do you do? 9 and 9, 81. So you write 81 here,
yeah. It is.
or you
And
take a
after then,
carryover.
no, 81 we will write direct, and then are you asking about the general maths, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then we have to put the cross under the 1, and then we have to do multiply times 8. 9 times 8.
क्रॉस
So
पुट किया या नहीं किया is something different. 81 you write here or you write 8 here.
where 81 we have to write at the correct place. We have to write here.
You don't take carryovers.
No, no, first we have to put the, not right now. In the addition part, we will take the carryover.
Okay, tell me now. Okay, do
Sorry,
it on the screen. Do it on the screen.
okay. I was saying the general methods. Now what you have to do after then 9 times 8 is 72. So then 72 in this method we were solving, right? You're asking this way?
Whatever is your method, you do.
I don't have any method. I'm saying generally kids are doing with this method what we learned from our childhood days. And 9 times 3 equals to 27. Then we have to write 27, and after then we have to add all the numbers together. Then we will get the carryover.
Okay.
Yeah. Should I erase it?
So you are writing 3 steps. What I
Yeah.
uh, was taught was 1, then carryover, because 8, 8, 9, 72 and 8, 0. 8 goes here. So 27 and 8, 35. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, see the difference. In Vedic maths, what do we do? 389 into 9. I'll use the concept of tables itself. 81,
Mm-hmm.
72,
Mm-hmm.
27. Just think in this way, na?
Yeah.
You're writing a table of 9, 389. 1, 0, 8 goes here. Finish. Now, this is easy to check also because you can check your answers later on very easily
Oh.
without carry over, because there are two silly mistakes in maths. One is multiple carryovers and second is borrow.
Yeah.
And I don't have anything called borrow in Vedic maths.
Oh.
There is nothing word borrow. You are able to do without borrow. Got it? Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll give you one more so that the topic is clear. Let's say 987 into 7. Yes, give me the answer. Let's see how fast you can do.
9096. Sorry.
9.
Six. Sorry. 6909.
Got it. So very easily 49, 56. You can put a balancing line if you want. 63. So 9, 0, 6 goes there. Finish. Right. So we'll use only one way. And verbally, if I have to do, I have to think from left hand side. Clear now?
Yeah. Absolutely clear.
Okay. So see, the burden of tables is removed. Now we don't need to
Learn the
cram the
maths.
tables, what we were doing till now.
Oh.
Now, so first point I said it increases my speed 10 to 15 times faster. I proved it. Second, it reduces the burden of remembering tables. Right, so this we did. Now, third benefit, it reduces scratch work. I told you independent of paper and pen. So that means rough work is not required as well as finger counting. Now, here specifically, I am saying finger counting. Why? Because whenever you are trying to become a Vedic maths trainer or when you are trying to learn Vedic maths, at the same time, you have one thing more in your brain, abacus. So everybody get confused. What is difference between abacus and Vedic maths? So let me clear you here. Abacus is a hand-based tool. Now, people ask which is better, a Vedic maths or abacus. So let me point to point, I'll explain. Abacus is basically used to carry out four major operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Whereas in Vedic maths, you can do all these four operations. After that, square, cube, square root, cube root, algebra, geometry,
Trigonometry.
trigonometry, calculus, conics. So everything can be covered, right? With the help of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras.
Substitutes.
Now, abacus is made of a tool, beads. Now, can you carry a tool with you in an exam hall or at every place? No. But Vedic maths is done mentally. So that is much, much easier. Correct. Now, one thing more. Abacus cannot be inculcated in the school curriculum, whereas Vedic maths can be inculcated. Can be, because Vedic maths is nothing but speed increasing of your topics. Right. So it has a wider scope. And that is the reason. Now, if I had to teach you today abacus, I would have shown you abacus tool, then you would have tried the same. So that was a bit difficult. Here, so it
Sorry?
is easy to teach as well as learn Vedic maths, right? It is much easier to understand, to learn as well as teach. Correct.
Of course.
Any question now?
No.
Okay. So one more point. Why Vedic maths? 3 points we have discussed. First, increases speed. Second, burden removed. Third, what we did? Yes.
Brain, uh, brain activation
No.
and
That was the point.
VR.
Just
Sorry,
now
and
we did.
VR.
It
VR.
reduces scratch work as well as finger counting. And the fourth is it increases concentration. Now, if you remember, when you're going to PTM of your child, the teacher is always complaining. Your child is not able to focus, not able to concentrate, not able to pay attention. And the mother has also the same complaint about the child. But have both ever taught how to concentrate, how to focus, how to
Yes,
pay
of course.
attention? No.
No.
There could not be any medicine or anything for that. But the methodology of Vedic maths is like that because you work on visualization, reasoning, logics. So when you'll start visualizing things, you'll find it easy. And that increases your concentration. So concentration is focusing. You're doing it. Got it. And so that will not only improve in maths or Vedic maths, it will be overall improved. Right. Now, it says it reduces silly mistakes. What are silly mistakes in maths? We have two silly mistakes. One is multiple carryovers. Every time there was a carryover coming. And second is borrow. So I told you, we don't have borrow. So subtraction, different thing. Entire subtraction can be done with one formula, all from 9, last from 10. And in addition, we don't have multiple carryovers. For example, you saw in 11. So all those carryovers were reduced. Right. So we have less carryovers and simple calculations. So what do you think? Any disadvantage?
And the session or Vedic math?
Yes,
No.
we do have two disadvantages.
What?
One is you will not require calculators
Oh,
and your speed will be much faster. So all the calculators you are having at home, they will be useless. Second is people will be jealous of your calculation speeds.
yeah.
Correct. This is what, because when you know Shakuntala Devi,
Yeah.
so he was able to multiply 40, 50 numbers together.
Together.
That much you can have. Right. So any questions now?
Right now, I don't have any question.
Right. So these were the few topics. Now, second day we'll take someday, not tomorrow. We'll have plan for some day. Otherwise, I'll share you the video also, and you can then ask me questions.
Yeah, sure.
So I'll share you some homework. You try
Yeah,
that.
of course.
I'll share you the homework as well as notes where from where you'll download, and then you'll also get video after some time, right? So you just practice and let me know any doubts if you have.
Sure.
Correct.
Yeah,
The doubts in any methodology what we did today.
sure. I don't have any doubt today.
Mhm.
Everything is clear.
Okay.
But I just want I want to join for the classes because like right now I'm just housewife. I want to earn, you know,
Mhm.
and I want to like improve myself. So that's why I joined for the Vedic math because I
Do
think
do
that
that
now.
homework first. Do that homework first because see, I don't get time for now group classes. So
Yeah,
I'll just see what time I could get. I'll just guide you.
okay.
Right. Because what happens in group classes, one time one is not coming, second is coming, it becomes a hassle. Right. And my commitment is when I take one student, I have to make a trainer out of that. You are from which place?
I'm from Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad. Okay. So I have international, I will be coming in World Book Fair from 1st to 9th Feb. You just visit there, you'll see how many people would be coming for
Sorry,
classes of their kids.
in which place?
Pragati Maidan.
Oh,
So that's a World Book Fair. 41 countries are there. 2,500 stalls would be there. So I also got that stall. And if you'll come, you'll see how many parents are looking for this subject, Vedic maths, for their kids because they need everybody. See, every child has this fear of mathematics.
of
So
course.
everyone is suffering from fear, pain, havoc, and this has been induced in their minds. So Vedic maths can remove that fear factor, right? And let's see. So first do this homework. I'll see. I'll give you time sometime, right?
Right.
Okay. All the best.